your bio teacher, myself Nitu Kumari, and we are learning already the chapter of class 10th reproduction, and we are doing some works in this chapter. Now this video we are talking about asexual reproduction or reproduction in the plants. We already know that something about the reproduction in plants. Let's see what is happening in the reproduction in plants. First of all, the process where nucleus length is nucleokinase. Nucleokinase is the part of reproduction where nucleus is growing and developed. Second is, and where the cytoplasm length is cytokinase. Cytoplasm length means that suppose this is the cell and this is the cytoplasm. When it elasts, just like this, when it elasts and divide from these two parts, this is called the cytokinase. Next one is budding. Budding is the part of reproduction. A bud develops as an outer row and parent body due to the repeat cell division at the specific site. In the sense of budding, this is, if suppose that this is the leaves and this is called bud. When this leaf is mature and bud is properly developed, this bud is growing and make a new plant or new organism in plant. This is the budding. This is the also part of reproduction. This bud detaches from the parent body when they mature. We are already talking about this. When plants leaves is mature, then it grow and then this bud is grow and develop. This is the parent cell. This is the example of budding. This is the parent cell. When it elasts, this is bud. This bud is developed and growing a new yeast. This is the example of yeast. This is also part of budding. When small tentacles like this appear on the mature yeast, it divides and develops new yeast. And second one is spore formation. Spore formation is also part of reproduction. Let's see what is happening. Spore formation, spore which are present in sporangia. Sporangia is the muscular parts of the body. Are small buds like thick structure which are levered by the thick walls that protect them under the favorable condition. They germinate and produce new rhizopus. Rhizopus, this is the spongial plant. When it grown and mature, it is divided from the root, and this thick wall, this is rhizopus. This is the figure of rhizopus. This is the pre-rhizopus. This is the first rhizopus. When it develops, then it grown up to another rhizopus. This is the spongial parts. This is spongial parts when mature and grown up to another parts. Let's see fragmentation. After these two, the fragmentation is also part of reproduction. This will take place in multicellular organism. Multicellular means which has the cells number is large. Simpler body organization like sporangia, Spidogera is also multicellular organism. The process of reproduction in Spidogera. This is the first Spidogera. When it fragment, this fragment is making, and this fragment process is when done, this is divided in two parts. Then these are two daughter cells. These are two daughter cells and divided two parts that make another new Spidogera. Next one is regeneration. Regeneration is also part of reproduction. When the simple animal like Hydra, Planaria develop a new individual from their broken older part, it is known as the regeneration. In the sense of regeneration, when the old part is fall down and broken, it grown up a new individual. This is also happening in Planaria and Hydra. Just see the structure of Planaria or Hydra. What happened in plane? Let's see the first figure of Planaria. Planaria divided in 3 parts, and these 3 parts also grown in 3 new individuals. Hydra also divided in 3 parts and making a new individual. This is the happened of reproduction is also happened in Planaria or Hydra. Let's see the vegetative propagation. We are also talking about this vegetative propagation in our first video. What is vegetative propagation? You must watch the first video of vegetative propagation. Let's see. A mode of reproduction, which is reproduction take place in the vegetative parts of like stem, root or leaves. This vegetative propagation is happened in stem, root or leaves. By stem like potato, root like onion or leaves bryophytes. These 3 or many these like potato, onion or bryophytes, like so many plants which are grown by the stem, root or leaves. Let's see the type of vegetative propagation. We already know that there is a 2 type of vegetative propagation. First is natural vegetative propagation. Second is artificial vegetative propagation. What are the involved in the natural vegetative propagation? First, by root. By root, let's see the example of root in natural propagation. Dahlia. If you have a dahlia plant in your home, you can see that by root, by stem. When stem is involving reproduction, potato. And last one is leaves. Leaves is very important part of the reproduction and natural vegetative propagation. This is the example of bryophyllum. All group of bryophyllums are developed by the leaves. In the second one, artificial propagation, grafting. Grafting, in the grafting, the example is mango. In the cutting, rose. You can also do this in your home. If you want to grow a new plant of rose, you can also cutting processes including growing rose. Layering in jasmine. Jasmine is a layering, and tissue adulter. We are also talking about last video the tissue culture. What happened in the tissue culture? In the orchid is a very important. This is involving and developing the tissue culture. And the sense of vegetative propagation or reproduction, some importance and benefits is also found in, also seen in this. What benefits are taken? First, plant can bear flower fruit earlier in the artificial or natural vegetative propagation. So the benefits is plant earlier take a fruit or flower. Second one is growing plant like banana, orange, apple and so many things which is used in natural or vegetative propagation that have lost a capacity to produce seed. There is no seed found in this artificial propagation. Banana has no seed and orange is also, and just like them another things which is grown by the layering or cutting or grafting reproduction, there is no seeds found. Third one is help in growing seedless fruit. You also don't like where seed is found in your fruit, so this is helping the seedless fruit growing. Fourth is cheaper and earlier method to grow. This is the very cheaper method of growing to a new individual plant or fruit to eat or use for the taken by us. So this is the reproduction in plants. This topic is closed in this video. In the next video, we are talking or know about the sexual reproduction in human being, animals, or like them body organism. So if you have any problem, just write down your message in our comment box. Thank you.